katatapos lang akong trabaho. It's almost 2:30 already. So I'm start to work today is 6:45 and done is for 2 o'clock at 15 minutes. So now I'm going back home. So I'm here in my car. So wakas yung isyo ay nawala. And the weather is today, it's nice. Lumabas sunshine. Then, ang gandang weather ngayon na lumabas araw. At the smile to everyone. This is it for weather today. Malamig, pero at least lumabas mahal na araw. This is life here in Norwegian. So, pag lumabas mahal na araw, ang tuwa-tuwa namin. Now, so I drive to grocery and I buy vegetable there. And then after, so drive home and making dinner. So, take a look. Bye! So, dito na sasakyan ako, guys. Mag-drive na tayo pa uwi. Pero I drive first in the grocery market. Dahil bibili muna ako ng mga vegetable. For example, avocado, carrots, or strawberry. Yun talaga ang breakfast ko every morning. Gumamit akong 1 apple, 3 pieces strawberry, and 1 small avocado, and mixed with natural yogurt or fresh na milk. Yan talagang breakfast ko, madalian pero healthy. So no sugar, so no additional sugar kung gagawa ako ng smoothie. So time to going back home. Tingnan mo yung sa taas yung ano ko guys, yung ano ko sasakyan glass. Makikita mo talaga ang gandang weather ngayon. And then this is it. And make dinner later with me and my husband because my the oldest son maybe eat outside. Usually every Friday yan kakain yan sa labas kasama sa kanyang mga kolega. So of course mama and papa eating dinner at home. Dahil pag kumakain ka ng dinner sa Norwegian restaurant dito, napakamahal guys, that is true. Kailangan matipid tayo sa buhay dito dahil talagang mahal ang bilihin. Whole world ito, hindi naman talaga Norwegian, lahat ito mahal, lahat mga bilihin dito. Kaya pag magluto tayo, pero pag may leftover, ilagay mo talaga yan sa refrigerator, iwarm mo next day or another day para matipid tayo sa ano natin, ekonomiya sa pamilya. That is life here. So, see you later. But dito, pag maliwanag yung palibot. Oh, mahal na araw lumabas. It's a beautiful and nice. And thank you for the sunshine. It's a beautiful day. It's nice. It's blue sky. So, I'm home. So, nakapag-grocery na ako guys. It's almost done. And then we're going to make dinner today. It's nice ngayon daw. Thank you Lord for giving us the nice weather. The sunshine is coming out. This is not always. Thank you. Tingnan mo yung himilin. That is blue sky. I'm home. Marami pa siyang snow guys. Just take a look. And that is the here. Madulas yung daan. Pag mag-drive ka, be careful dahil madulas yung daan. And then, see you for the next. Bye! So, this is it. Sana ganito palagi guys, lumabas si araw. So, ganito yung ways namin dito sa Norway. It's so beautiful and nice. Tingnan yung palibot. Yung blue sky. And then, lumabas sa araw. The best. Kahit malamig siya, pag lumabas si araw, iba-iba ang dating. It's be happy to everyone. Tingnan mo si araw guys, no? Kita mo yan? Sana all. Always the weather is like this in Norwegian. Winter So hoping si winter is still like this is beautiful. nice. So I'm going up and then making food. Yes, it's a nice and beautiful weather. This is it. Tingnan mo kayo guys. Yan. This is it. So, masanaol ka na lang sa weather nito. Grabe ang ganda. Tingnan mo. Tapos yung sola. Tingnan mo yung sola dyan lumabas dito. Take a look the balcony. Still the Christmas light there. Gusto ko nga ano siya, but maraming ice, saka ko na lang kunin yung Christmas light. And then akyat na ako sa taas. Grabe dahil it's a beautiful ko. Grocery for today. So bumili ako ng pang sausage bread. Of course mayroon akong sweet and sour extra. Ito yung extra sa bahay. Pag kailangan akong gumawa ng lumpia or roller o spring roll, mayroon akong extra chili sauce. Mayroon akong frozen strawberry. This is I using everyday smoothie or milkshake. That is my breakfast with the apple. One apple and 3 pieces strawberry, and use this one guys. I use this natural yogurt guys. So no sugar. So yummy. So I bought 2. This one. Meron tayong dalawang natural yogurt, of course. Mayroon tayong vegetable, broccoli. Kasi mas mamura ngayon. Usually kasi ito, 21.90 ang per stick. Ngayon is 14.90. So it's cheaper today. So bumili akong dalawa. Of course, mayroon tayong chili. Pag kumakain ng medyo Nicky bro with the cheese, and this is then is a chili. It's yummy. And then bumili na rin ako ng carrots kasi sometime mag-milkshake ako, mag-additional ako ng carrots with apple and strawberry fruit. So dalawang silipin ang binili ko na grocery ko. This is binili ko ngayon lang dahil hindi ako nakapag-grocery from Monday to Tuesday. Ngayon lang Friday. Bumili akong dalawang pack na frozen na strawberry kasi hindi siya madaling masira. Ano ko lang sa frozen sa freezer, and then we just only take 3 stickers, so it's enough. So it's take this one almost 3 weeks. And I have also avocado, not model, hindi pa siya hinog, pero pahinog din ko ito sa baba. And then pag mahinog na ito, kunin ko yung balat, and then i-cut ko ito, kunin ko yung buto or seed sa ilalim, and then i-freezer ko din kasi ganito din gumawa ng milkshake. So ma-discard tayo sa buhay guys dahil mahal dito sa Norway. And then yung pag mag-grocery tayo, so kailangan mayroon tayong ganito dahil ang plastic bag dito napakamahal, or kailangan ako ito na always pag mag-grocery ako, mayroon ko talagang ganito. Dahil pag sabihin ng you want plastic bag, so I have already. So, nakasave na rin ako ng money. So, bumili na rin akong dalawang spinach. Yan. Ito spinach. Of course, mayroon tayong, ano ba ito? Ito yung kainin ko every lunch. Pwede kong kumain cheese with chili. Everything. And then, of course, bumili na lang din ako ng salmon. 4 na piraso dahil 3 kami, so 4 ang lulutuin ko, pero hindi ko lulutuin ngayon, i-freezer ko din ito pag gusto kong kumain nito. So i-fry ko lang ito. It's little bit expensive but it's yummy. And then there is one is a sausage. Of course mayroon tayong bread. And then is a banana. Hi! Say hi, Papa, Mimi, YouTube. And of course, that is the banana cut is bubitel and preserved. Paparazzi. Yes, this is my grocery today. And So this is a simple dinner today. So gumawa lang ako ng french fries sa air fryer. Madalian. Yung french fries naka-frozen na siya. Ilagay lang natin dito guys. Yan lang yan ang ano natin dinner for today. And then the other one. Yan. And then mayroon tayong fish fillet na air fryer din, yung yung naka na siya like this. Natin dito. It's yummy and delicious. Naka air fryer din siya guys. Ganyan ako guys. Madalian pero masarap na pagkain. And this is it. And so this is it. And then this is the food for today. This is my husband. And then ang next natin gawin, mayroon tayong french fries na spices. Ilagay natin dito guys. So lahat naka air fryer yung dinner natin ngayon. So napaka easy and yummy. Then mayroon tayong carrots. Pinag-ano ko na yun siya, ginaraspa. Nilagay natin dito sa, yes, this is it. This is yummy and this delicious. Ito rin. Kasi yung eldest ko hindi pa dumating, hindi kami munang mag-asawa kumakain. Of course, wala tayong kasi dito, eat with this remolada, mayroon tayong hamburger dressing. Yan ang gamitin natin. Maano na lang tayo kung anong available sa bahay. Yan lang ang gamitin natin. Yan. So, this is for dinner today guys. Eating time. Yan, ganito. French fries, imbak fish, and then raspberry or carrots. Little bit dressing. That is dinner for today. So, that's it. Dinner served. Yes, by Sugar Earth. So dinner served. It's so look yummy. What can you see? The food I made it. Happy and it's yummy. And then eat this one. Tomato. And french fry.
Skriftlig salat og legge sånt ut på nettet. Vet du?
Kain muna kami. And then this is for video for today. Thank you for watching. Paki-share and paki-likes. See you for the next video. Bye!